Hi, we're here today with New Stride Shift from Berry to Mint. Here's our test subject.
I think it likes me.
Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
It's very.
Oh.
Berry to Mint!
What?
It just went from Berry to Mint!
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure this is gum?
Mm-hmm.
Did it go from Berry to Mint?
Maybe.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Mine's all minty,
Mine's me.
but it was berry. What?
That's where Mom does her business.
With candy?
Candy. Ah, green. Oh, blue.
Is there a red Jolly Rancher?
There's a red one. Cherry. Are you done?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave the computer.
I'll cut it off.
Well, I think it's time to eat it.
Making a video.
No. Maybe.
We be shopping, yo.
This
In
is
the
home.
Walmart.
We like Walmart. Ooh. That sticks the butt. Oh yeah.
That's my mama.
Ooh girl, that was so sexy of you. We just want to like strap you down and
Come on.
sorry, and you didn't let me finish. There was gonna be like a pepperoni stick in there too. Sorry. That's just how I be. Don't be judging. Don't be hating.
Don't be judging.
Don't be hating.
Don't be hating.
Don't be judging.
Don't be judging. Don't be hating. He just made his song.
Oh yeah.
I like cookies.
Dogs. Come on.
Ooh, we becoming dogs. You be getting gangster too.
Do something crazy.
Mine, not ours. No, it's ours. You just hit my head with your foot.
You know you want it, girl.
Yeah.
My eyebrows be sexy today.
Do you? Look at them, they be pink.
They're supposed to be red. These used to be so much littler. They used to be like this big. Oh, obese people. So, Nathan, I was watching this true.
1, 2, 1, 2. Y'all
Come on down and get done.
Have a party and lots of fun. Y'all.